Your monthly period. Did you know that whenever you see your monthly period, whenever you are on your monthly period, you are unclean in the sight of the Most High? When you see your monthly period, you are unclean and you're not supposed to touch anything that is holy. You're not supposed to touch the Bible. You're not supposed to pray when you are on your monthly period. God gave some laws, some rules that you're supposed to follow when you are on your monthly period. When you see your monthly period, you're not supposed to pray. You're not supposed to touch anything that is holy. And you're not supposed to go into a congregation. When you are on your monthly period, you are unclean for 7 days. You are unclean for 7 days as a woman. You're supposed to set yourself apart, because anybody that touches you when you're on your monthly period, if anybody sits where you sit, that person becomes unclean. When you are unclean when you see your monthly period, you are unclean. This is what your God says. Today, most people don't know this because most people are following Christianity. And Christianity is teaching you that you don't have to follow the law. This is the law of the Most High, and if you don't follow this law, you will find yourself shocked. You will be surprised on the judgment day that the Most High will cast you away because you refuse to follow the law that He told you have to follow for the rest of your life. As a woman, as long as you are alive, whenever you see your monthly period, you are unclean for 7 days. You're not supposed to touch anything that is holy. You're not supposed to go inside a congregation. You're not supposed to pray for that 7 days. You're so unclean, and you're supposed to set yourself apart for that 7 day. Avoid people as much as possible, because anybody that touches you or touch anywhere that you sit, that person becomes unclean. This is very important. You see this in Leviticus chapter 15, and also Leviticus chapter 12. Leviticus chapter 12, Leviticus chapter 15, that's where you see these laws. As a woman, when you see your monthly period, you are unclean. Also, when you give birth to a child, a boy or girl, when you give birth to a child, you are unclean. You are unclean when you give birth to a child. And you're supposed to avoid going inside the congregation. You're supposed to avoid touching anything that is holy, like the Holy Bible. You're supposed to also avoid praying. This is very important, and this is the law that the Most High God gave you that you have to follow for the rest of your life. This is not just for women. This is also for men. As a man, did you know that whenever sperm comes out of your body, you are unclean? Did you know that whenever sperm comes out of your body from your manhood, you are unclean until evening? Did you know that? As a man, the Most High God gave you a law. He said that as long as you are alive, whenever sperm comes out of your body, you are unclean. So whenever you have sex, you are unclean until evening. You're supposed to wash yourself. You're supposed to take a bath, take shower, and also wash any clothes where that sperm may have touched. You're supposed to do this before the sun goes down that day that sperm comes out of your body. This is a law that the Most High gave us that we have to follow as long as we are alive. We're supposed to follow this law. And that day, on the judgment day, you will be surprised. You will be shocked, because you will be cast away. The Most High will condemn you because you ignore this law and you're following Christianity that teaches you that you don't have to follow the law. That is a lie. Christ is the one that told you that you are, as a man, whenever sperm comes out of your body, you are unclean. The Most High God told you that, and Christ said you have to follow that law. Christ said that we have to follow all the laws of God as long as we are alive. That is Matthew chapter 23, verse 1 to 3. Matthew 23, verse 1 to 3. Christ, our Savior, said that you must follow all the laws of God. We must follow all the laws of Moses. And in the laws of Moses, in Leviticus chapter 15 and Leviticus chapter 12, is where we see this law about clean and unclean for men and women. So stop following Christianity. You need to go back and follow these laws. Whenever sperm comes out of your body, you are unclean until evening. As a woman, when you see your monthly period, you are unclean. You're not supposed to touch the Bible. You're not supposed to pray. You're not supposed to go inside the congregation. And speaking of the congregation, don't go into congregation at all. Don't go to church at all. Stop going to church. Why should you stop going to church? Don't go to church at all. You need to stop going to church on Sunday, because Sunday is not a worship day and Saturday is not a worship day. Sunday is not a worship day. Saturday is not a worship day. The worship day is supposed to be regulated by the moon. When the Most High told us to worship Him, when our God told us to worship Him, He gave us a calendar, which is the sun and the moon. The Most High God gave us the moon to be our calendar. That's where the word the month came from. That word the month come from the moon. The moon is the calendar. The moon is God's calendar. So we're supposed to observe the new moon day, worship on the new moon day, and the new moon day begins the month. You worship on the new moon day, you work for 6 days, and then you rest on the 7th day. On that 7th day, which is the Sabbath day, the moon will be 50% full. You worship on that day. The next day you go to work. You work for 6 days, you rest on the 7th day, and the moon will be a full moon day. It will be a full moon. You worship on that day. The next day you go to work. You work for 6 days, you rest on the 7th day, and the moon will be half again. This is so simple, very simple. So stop going to church on Sunday, stop going to church on Saturday. You need to go back and begin to learn about the lunar calendar and begin to keep the Sabbath. If you don't keep the Sabbath, you're going to go to hell. If you don't work for 6 days and rest on the 7th day, the Most High will condemn you. So when you are unclean, you're supposed to avoid worshiping with people. You're supposed to avoid going to church. You're supposed to stay away from people as much as possible when you are unclean. When you see your monthly period, you're unclean for 7 days. As a woman, you're not supposed to pray. You're not supposed to touch anything that is holy. You're supposed to avoid. If a man touches you or sit where you sit, if a man sits where you sit, that man will become unclean. You're supposed to avoid those kind of things and be unclean for 7 days. Read these scriptures and you see for yourself. Also, when we eat pork, we are unclean. When you eat shrimp, you are unclean. We're not supposed to eat pork. We're not supposed to eat shrimp, according to Leviticus chapter 11. These are the laws that the Most High gave us, that many people are going to be condemned on the judgment day because they did not follow this law. Because they did not follow this law, they will be condemned. Stop following Christianity. Avoid Christianity. Christianity is a wicked religion that teaches you that you don't have to keep the law, even though Christ said you have to keep the law. Even though Christ teaches you and told you that you must keep the law, even though Christ told you that you have to keep the law to be allowed into the kingdom of heaven, even though Christ said that you have to keep the law to be allowed into the kingdom of heaven. Today, Christianity teaches you that you don't have to keep the law. That is not true. We have to keep all the laws of God. Avoid a dead animal. Whenever you touch a dead animal, you're unclean until evening. Whenever you touch a dead animal, you're unclean until evening. Whenever you need to avoid eating pork, shrimp, lobster, pork, turkey. These animals are unclean according to Leviticus chapter 11 and Deuteronomy chapter 14. Read these places and you will see for yourself. Avoid these unclean animals. You're supposed to avoid them. You're supposed to eat only clean animal. When you touch a grave, you are unclean. You're unclean for 7 days. When you touch a dead body, you are unclean for 7 days, according to Numbers chapter 19. Please read all these scriptures and you will see for yourself. Read all these scriptures and you see. If you have any question, feel free to call, and before you contact me, read all these scriptures before you ask questions, because you will see the answers in these scriptures. This is very important. We need to observe this law. We need to keep the laws and the commandments because the Most High said so. We need to keep these laws because Christ said that we have to keep this law. Paul says in Romans 2:13 that those who will be accepted on the judgment day are those that keep the laws of God. Romans 2:13, not the hearers of the law are just, but the doers of the law will be justified. These laws are very important, and Christ said in Revelation chapter 22 verse 14, Revelation 22:14, Christ said that those who will be allowed into the kingdom are those that kept the commandment. That's what Christ said. Stop following Christianity, begin to follow the laws of God, and avoid an unclean animal. And keep the law when you are unclean. When sperm comes out of your body, you are unclean. You're supposed to wash yourself before the sun goes down. Learn these laws and keep them, or else the Most High will condemn you on the judgment day.